When homeowners in Tuscaloosa invest in new windows, they often focus on selecting the right materials, styles, and energy-efficient features. However, even the most durable and high-quality windows can fail prematurely if they are not properly installed. Proper installation is the foundation for maximizing window lifespan, maintaining energy efficiency, and ensuring long-term performance in Alabama's humid subtropical climate. The importance of proper window installation in Windows longevity starts with how it's installed. Professional installation ensures that each unit is fitted correctly to your home's structure, with the proper sealing, insulation, and alignment. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and structural issues that shorten the life of your windows. In Tuscaloosa, where summers are hot and humid and winters can be chilly and wet, the constant expansion and contraction of materials make accurate installation critical. Without proper alignment and sealing, these weather shifts can cause frames to warp, caulking to crack, and glass seals to fail prematurely. Preventing moisture damage and air leaks. One of the main threats to window lifespan is moisture infiltration. When windows are not properly sealed or flashed, rainwater can seep into the gaps between the frame and the wall. Over time, this moisture can rot wooden frames, corrode metal components, and promote mold growth. Professional installers in Tuscaloosa use techniques like weather-resistant flashing and waterproof membranes to prevent this problem. They also apply high-quality caulking and ensure tight seals to block out air leaks. This not only protects the window structure but also maintains your home's comfort and energy efficiency. In addition, proper insulation around the window frame helps reduce drafts and keeps conditioned air inside, a major advantage during Alabama's warm summers when air conditioning costs can spike. Enhancing structural integrity and energy efficiency. Proper installation ensures that the weight of each window is distributed evenly across the frame and walls. This prevents unnecessary strain on the glass and sash components, which can otherwise cause cracks, sticking, or difficulty opening and closing. For energy efficiency, correct placement and sealing are key. Misaligned windows can leave tiny gaps that allow heat transfer, undermining the performance of even Energy Star-rated windows. A correctly installed window keeps indoor temperatures stable and reduces the workload on your HVAC system, an important factor in Tuscaloosa's climate, where energy efficiency directly affects monthly utility bills. Avoiding common installation mistakes. DIY or unskilled installations often lead to problems such as uneven frames, improper insulation, and incorrect fasteners. These errors may not be immediately noticeable but will eventually cause serious issues like fogging between panes, water stains, or drafty interiors. Certified professionals follow manufacturer guidelines to ensure the warranty remains valid. Most window manufacturers specify that improper installation can void product warranties, meaning future repairs or replacements may not be covered. By hiring licensed Tuscaloosa window contractors, homeowners protect both their investment and their peace of mind. Long-term value and performance. Windows that are properly installed can last decades with minimal maintenance. They retain their energy-saving features, resist environmental wear, and enhance curb appeal for years to come. In contrast, poorly installed windows may require repairs or replacement much sooner, increasing long-term costs. Proper installation ensures that your new windows perform as intended, keeping your Tuscaloosa home comfortable, efficient, and protected from the elements. Conclusion. Proper window installation is more than just a finishing touch. It's a critical factor that directly affects performance, durability, and energy savings. For homeowners in Tuscaloosa, investing in professional installation means ensuring that every window can withstand the region's unique weather conditions while maximizing its lifespan. By choosing qualified local installers who understand Alabama's climate and construction standards, you safeguard your investment and enjoy lasting comfort, lower utility bills, and beautiful, long-lasting windows for years to come.